reading your book? Are you reading your book? Are you pounding on your book? Are you angry at the book? Does the book anger you? Did you find the worm? And the ladybug? What do you think, lady? Want to see the next page? It's the creepy bug page. And the creepy butterfly. Oh, you want to go back? Go ahead, you can do it. You can do it. You almost had it. One more time. Almost there. So close. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh. You did it! Yay! You found a ladybug. Now go back. Wow. Good job, lady.